So far so good, but now let's introduce a little twist. Let's suppose that we have a user that we want to authorize to access information in the student relation, but only for students who have applied to Stanford. How can we possibly do that? Why don't you give that a thought? Well, I'll give you the answer right away. The way we do that is actually by using views. So we can create a view that gives us the student information for Stanford applicants only, and then we can grant users privileges on the view rather than directly on the relations. So here's our view. It says we'll find all students where their student ID is in the IDs of the students who have applied to Stanford, and we'll call that view SS for Stanford students. Now we can give a particular user the select privilege on SS, and that allows them to select the data that's in the view, but not see any of the data outside of the view. Specifically, they won't be able to see student information if the students didn't apply to Stanford. Let's take a look at a second example that involves views. Let's suppose that we want to authorize a user to delete applications, but only applications that are to Berkeley. So again, we'll set up a view. This one's a little simpler. It's just a view of the records in the apply relation where the college name is Berkeley, and we'll call the view BA, and then what we want to grant to the user is the ability to delete the delete privilege from the BA view. Now in this case, we do need to have that view be updatable by the system that's supporting it. So in our videos about views, we discuss this issue. Those are the only examples I'm going to give for now, but I do want to emphasize that views are quite important for customizing authorization to specific user needs. And in fact, authorization is one of the most important uses of views in database systems.